Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great weekend. I'm back to share what I created for the 2019 Christmas on a Dime YouTube hop. And this year it's being hosted by Tammy. She is SS Crafter 1 here on YouTube. I will link the information in the description box below for all of the participating channels. You will want to go check these ladies out. They're super talented, and I know this is some of them have been doing this hop for a few years now, so it's always fun to see what they come up with. So Tammy will be giving away a $40 grand prize on December 1st on her channel, and that's payable into your PayPal account. And there's also additional giveaways on some of the channels. Some of the rules really quick: you do have to be subscribed to all of the participating channels, and you have to leave a comment on each of the videos to be eligible for that grand prize. The idea for this hop is to use what's in your stash, not to spend too much money. There is a $20 maximum budget if you purchase anything for these projects after October 23rd. And I didn't spend any money on any of these projects. It's just all things that I already had in my stash. So I just put these little tags down so that this would not be just plain. So these are part of my first little project. I have had this little unfinished wooden sleigh in my stash for a couple of years now. And I actually have, I think, at least two. There's another one that I saw in my stash, but they come just plain unfinished wood like this. And like I said, I've had it for a couple years, and I just thought I would paint it really quick or decorate it, alter it, and I can use it to give a gift. You can add, some little body lotions or bath products in here, and it would make a really cute gift. This one I decided to decorate with the Merry Days from Crate Paper. Love this paper collection, and I decided to just make a little decorative piece that's going to sit on my craft area, and I'm going to be putting some tags, either handmade tags or little tags and die cuts from the Merry Days collection, so that I can just grab them really quick as I'm working on things. So I basically just did a little bit of painting with some white paint. I didn't finish the bottom. I probably will go back and do that, but I wanted to show the natural color of the wood there. And then I just traced. I put this down on pattern paper and traced around it on all sides, and then cut these out. And then I did some stitching. I hope you can see that with gold thread. I was debating whether to do that because it does take some time, but I'm really, really happy that I took the time to add the stitching because it's so, so pretty. And shout out to the ladies who do a lot of this on all the projects. It does take a little time to go around the corners carefully and slowly, but I love the way that looks. So I just added the paper there. I took some of the die cuts and pieces from I think the tag set, and added this piece here with some little pom-pom trim. I layered with cheesecloth there. There's a little snowflake here, gold star from the paper collection as well, and this cute little shaker embellishment is from the paper collection too. So just added a little bit of snow with glitter around the edges there and there. And then I did also cover some of the panels on the inside here, but not the sides. In the back area there, I added a little snowflake popped up. And the front here, I added just a little bow that I had in my stash. And I feel like it's not quite finished yet. I think I'm going to wrap some gold pipe cleaner or gold string around this area here, and then I was thinking I could add some little dangles or charms like these here from the front there, so it wouldn't just be plain right there. So that's what I'm thinking, but I had to get this video going because it's late as usual, and I don't really like the way that that looks with the little foam there. So I think I'm going to go back and also add like some pearl trim or something to kind of cover that up. So that's the front. I think it turned out so cute. I thought that was fun. And then this is just some of the things that I'm putting in there that I could just grab and use in my projects. Just some die cuts that are ready to be decorated. These little tags I created using the Coco and Reno dies, the Happy Holidays set, and they're ready to go on a gift or a project. And then I also just cut out some of the pieces, did a little stitching on this one here from the cut aparts from the Merry Days. So I thought I would just have them ready to go as well. These could go on cards or tags. And then these are the cute little tags that come with the collection. So I just took them out of the packaging, and I'm going to be placing them in here so I can just use those as well. And then these little tags I was playing around with, and I die cut and assembled them a couple days ago, so I thought they look really cute in there as well. And I just think it's so cute. I'm going to enjoy having it on my workspace. So that's my first little project. And then I have a lot of these little frames that I picked up years ago too, in multiples at Michael's when they had their dollar spot area really well stocked a while back. So I had a couple of these pink frames. I had a couple of these cute little frames with the insert here is for a 1.5-inch photo or a little cutout, and just other frames in my stash, you guys. I was kind of obsessed with them for a while, so I have a bunch, and I thought it was a really good opportunity to kind of challenge myself and use them. So I decorated this one. It's exactly the same as this one here. Like I said, came from Michael's a while back, and that's how it was. And the first thing I did was I used some white paint and just kind of used my finger and rubbed it on the raised areas to tone down the pink. And then I cut some of the pattern paper and put it in the frame, which ended up getting pretty much covered up. I was thinking of doing a shaker in there, but like I said, I knew I was going to kind of do a little scene and cover a lot of that frame up, so I didn't do that. And then I did add some texture paste and some snow and glitter and things around the edge there. I layered this little die cut tree. This is a different paper collection. I think it's the Sweet Christmas. I don't know. It's a Minte paper collection that I picked up at the Frank Garcia studio. So I just fussy cut all of these pieces from one of the pattern papers. I layered the tree first, or actually this little cheesecloth layer first, then the tree popped up on foam, and then I added this little nutcracker, so cute, and these little gingerbread houses and a cookie. And then I did use some dimensional paint to just add a little bit of the snow effects, and then this little gold glitter word that says snow there. So it's not too busy, but I think it's so cute, and it's just a little like decor piece, you know, just a way to use up that frame. And I think it'll look really pretty, you know, on a shelf or in you know, next to the tree or something in my little crafty area. So I think this one I will leave like this so you can kind of see that there. And my last project, sorry, might have to edit that. So the last little frame that I altered was one of these other little frames, again from Michael's. I had two of these. So I altered this one up, and my idea for this one is to use it as like a gift tag on a package for one of my nieces or nephews. and then they can put it on the tree. So it'll double as a gift tag, and they can hang it on their tree. So what I'd like to do sometimes when I see them, because we do all get together on Thanksgiving, is I like to take quick little pictures of my nieces and nephews, and then I'm going to put their little picture here, and maybe I can put the year back here or on a separate little tag that I'll hang up here. And then they will have like a little keepsake, a little ornament with their picture and the year. And I usually don't wrap this, I just put it on their gift, so it serves as a gift tag as well. So all I did to this one was I made a little bow with this little ribbon that I had in my stash. It's like a natural fiber looking ribbon, but it has a bit of gold in it, so I thought it was really pretty. And I wrapped it with some of this gold eyelash trim, added a button, and then I accented it with a little pink pearl there. This is going to one of my nieces. And then this little wreath here is just the regular little wreaths that you can get, I think, at Hobby Lobby. And I just took off the red bow and the little hanging string, and then I added a different bow that's all blingy, super cute, and then some little pearls in pink. So I thought that turned out really cute and would look cute on any tree. And then you can just add different color pearls, and it would change up the look of that. So for some of my nephews, I would probably do red or blue instead of the pink. So those are my little projects, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at them and that you're inspired to go through your crafty stash. I had more ideas and just ran out of time. I was also thinking of going back and looking through some of my ornaments that don't quite work with my colors this year, and then just, altering those and painting them and adding some little accents and then just making them work. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please leave a comment and go and check out the rest of the ladies in the hop. Thank you so much for stopping by, and yeah, good luck on the grand prize. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.